You can delete different areas of your object by using the same tools as object mode. You can select the face and you can either press the delete key and choose faces, or I can press the X key and choose faces. Now, this is where things can get a bit confusing, especially for beginners. Keep in mind we have vertices, we have edges, and we have faces. Now, if I delete the faces, the vertices still remain here. We've just removed the face. But if I delete, for example, the edges, it collapses. You see what I mean? We've deleted these 4 edges here. So those edges go away, but these ones actually stay. And also, if I'm in face mode and I delete the vertices, it's going to delete the face, but it's also going to delete these vertices here. So if I press X and delete vertices, now all those vertices are gone. And since these vertices were holding together these edges here and these edges here, just the entire thing is boom, just going to collapse into a plane. So be careful of what you're deleting. If you want to delete a face, just delete the face. But if you try to delete the face and you delete the vertices, it gives you a completely different result. Now you're going to see another option in here, dissolve edges. So this one's pretty interesting because it's a little bit different than delete. So let's say I press Control R and I add in a loop cut like we did before, and I'll just right click to keep it in place. So you might be thinking, okay, I don't want this edge here. So I'm going to hold the Alt button to select through. And you might be thinking, okay, I'm just going to delete the edge. What it's going to do is it's going to collapse the geometry. And that's because now that we've added in that loop cut, this face here and this face here rely on this edge that we have here. So if I delete the edge, it's going to delete those areas as well. You see what I mean? Instead of deleting, we want to dissolve it. We're going to press Control X and that will dissolve out the edge instead. So you can press Control X or you can press the X key and choose limited dissolve. It's a little bit different, so keep that in mind.